Hi, today I'm just going to go over the update 0.6.0.0 of particulars. We've got up a major version number, which is really exciting. Basically, we've got two new chapters that have come in, each of which introduces a completely new mechanic, and we have a few small changes, a lot of little graphical tweaks here and there. So first we have black holes, which is chapter 5. This is what a black hole looks like right now. This isn't final, these aren't final graphics. You'll also notice that our basic particles have had a bit of an upgrade as well. But essentially a black hole sucks things in, gets bigger when it sucks them in, and actually also gets smaller if you do nothing. So over time it actually ejects matter. That's our attempt at Hawking radiation. So yeah, that's a basic black hole. The other thing that black holes do is actually keep whatever charge is inside them. So in this example, we'll see there's a bunch of particles go in. Here we go. As they do, the black hole becomes more orange, and you can see it's actually repelling me at that distance. But if I get close enough, it'll actually start attracting me again. So black holes hold charge. And now chapter 6, you'll notice a couple of things. Firstly, you're an anti-down quark. Secondly, the little ring around you, which is actually new as well, and shows whether you have invincibility for data is actually now different. So essentially now we have this ability where essentially adding in the weak force, the third of the 4 fundamental forces, and you can change what type you are. When you change, you create another particle called a W boson, and that then decays into other particles. Along with the weak force comes a couple of new particles, actually 4, but we'll only really deal with 2 of them in chapter 6. Strange and charmed quarks, and these are like bigger versions of the up and down quarks, and you can actually use, oh wow, that's quite working. You can use the W bosons to turn yourself into these particles. The other thing that we've done is we've changed examination modes. You actually have to press Control to start it up, and if you click on, oh wow, that's not quite working, an anti-charmed quark, for instance, you can then actually click Enter Particlepedia, and you'll get a little bit of a article about them, and you can go back and there's all these different articles. And I'm just noticing all these slight bugs here now with Larry, and we will definitely fix those. That's okay. So yeah, clearly we've still got a ways to go in terms of some of these bugs, but we are getting there, definitely. Next week we will have some fixes to those things, but mostly we're going to be dealing with adding in chapter 7 and adding in updating the sounds and just fixing as many bugs as we can. Please send us feedback. We're really interested in how easy or hard these new levels are to get through. We're really not that sure about the progression. We've done our best to make sure that it's really nice to get through. But yeah, any feedback about those would be great. Thanks a lot, and talk to you next time.